Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we'll be learning how to clear and make space on our PC. So without any further blah blah blah, let's get started. So what you want to do is hold Windows and press R. This box comes out, type in temp, click on OK, find that. Select everything here, hold shift, then delete to permanently delete files. Click yes. Do this for all current items and you skip. You close this, you do Windows R again, you do prefetch. You give permission by saying continue, select all, shift and delete. This action can't be completed because the file is open in Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. So just do this for all current items of such and let it skip those files. Then the next one is Windows arrow, percentage temp, percentage, click OK. Then select all, shift, delete, permanently delete. Yes. See from here, see how much of space is being cleared. So you just give it time to finish deleting, depending on the size of file you have. These three folders we opened are basically catch files or temporary files. Basically, files that were just made there to be used for that moment. After then, they are not useful anymore. So remember, you do this for all points and you skip. Then the last one is Windows I to open your settings. You go to System, you go to Storage. Wait for this to finish loading. And you click on Temporary Files. Allow you to scan. Once it's done scanning, you select what you want to delete and then you click on remove file. So Windows Update Cleanup, yes. Downloads, no. Recycle bin, yes. Thumbnails, yes. Delete optimization files. I'll leave I'll leave everything as is. The only thing I just added was the recycle bin and then remove file. So it will remove 8 gig of files. So what you want to do is check your storage space before you start and check when you are done and see the difference. Do let me know in the comment section if this actually helped you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share also. So let's wait for this to finish purging in the stems or cleaning. Alright, so the files have been deleted, so you can see 0 byte, 0 byte, 0 byte, 0 byte. Then we didn't touch this. I think this just came newly. You can still delete it, but it will still come again. So that's how you clear and make space on your PC.